Hi everyone, this is Asim from Trade with Asim and Sajjad, and I welcome you on daily analysis of dollar index, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Canadian Dollar, and gold. Before I start my analysis, I would ask all the new people who have just joined in to kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you get all the daily updates that we post on. Starting with our own website, tradewithasimandSajjad.com. Uh, we have got some educational material. You can visit later on to download some PDF books, live chart. You can see the best brokers, economic calendar, the one you're looking into. You can watch online videos, the one similar to the one you're just viewing now. We are posting text analysis so that you don't have access to the videos. You can always go and read their trading signals and the feedback form. We are also present on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. So starting from economic calendar, uh, as we see, there is some good news coming in the GBP. We have not some really good forecast for that one, but we will see how it moves on. From Eurozone, we don't really expect some good news apart from the German manufacturing API, but the forecast and the previous one was the same. So we might expect a very good movement towards upward direction, similar towards the GBP USD, which might create a very good hype, but still the data might not come really great. Moving on to non-farm payroll, the ADP, it's not the non-farm payroll that normally the US do. It's going to be on Thursday, so just after tomorrow. So it's going to be tomorrow. Manufacturing PMI, ISM manufacturing, crude oil inventories, FOMC statement, Fed interest rate. So we are expecting some great news, and these news like like the crude oil inventories from the US will have a great impact on the US dollar, FMC meeting, and the interest rate. Most of the time there is not really great movement each time there is a federal interest rate has been announced. So at the same time we will expect that there might not be a really great movement as well. Starting my daily analysis from the dollar index, as every day I'm saying that the dollar is going to be moving towards downward, but as usual the market is having two one direction and it's always sideways. It moves towards downward and then it do its retracement, but always it moves and try to reach the previous day lowest one as well. So I'm expecting once again that it will try to approach 94 points as it's trying its level best. If you look into the weekly chart of dollar index, technically it is supposed to drop from this level. As you can see, it's just loading. I will just zoom in for you people. We have got some dodgy candles over here for this week as well, and technically it's going to drop as well. So on daily we are trying to we are trying to achieve a bearish momentum, as it's a sideways market for the dollar index from last couple of weeks. My speculations are for the dollar index a bearish momentum, and it will fall. Plus the other pairs like euro and Canadian dollar are also getting stronger. So in that one it will have a great impact on that one. Overall, I expressed the pair to be bearish and will go down and try to approach the 94 points. If it will try to approach and break 94 points by tomorrow, we expect that it will further come down to 93.50. Moving on to Euro USD on daily chart, we can see that it tried to break the resistance at 1.172 and try to reach 1.175, but it failed and did its retracement after the news. We are expecting that it will once again go towards the resistance of 1.175, break above one resistance 1.175. It will try to break 1.1780 as well. I would expect that bearish it's a bullish momentum and will continue as a bullish momentum for the 1st of August. It's going to be a great day for those who will buy at the lowest one. Always keep watching and buy at the lower dip, and then when close the position when it's at the highest one. Moving on to GBP USD, the pair is also at a bearish bullish momentum, but there is not really great movement. During the news we saw some great movement and we were able to make around a good number of pips. It tried to break the resistance at 1.315, but it was a false breakout, and then it approached resistance 2 at 1.318. It couldn't break that one and get the reversal, and now currently it's trading at 1.31277. It's about the pivot, so whenever there is a pivot, the position or the currency pair is trading above the pivot, I'm always expecting a bullish momentum for that one. As the market is sideways, it is always trading between 1.315 and 1.309. Between these points the market is moving, and it's not really moving towards one direction, so that it can start to move, and the pair will have some great momentum. I expect on Friday, on 1st of August, that the pair is going to be at the same level, and it will try to break the resistance one at least at 1.315, depending on how the British pound gets stronger. But if the British pound did not get stronger, we do expect that there will be a little bit fall. But overall, my preference would be that it's going to be at a bullish, and buy at low and sell and close the position at the highest level. Moving on to USD Canadian Dollar, tomorrow is one of the good day that USD Canadian Dollar will see, as there are oil inventories. Also, it's also trading below the pivot, which is at 1.305. Trading below the pivot, we always indicate that it's going to be a great sell, and we can sell the position, and the momentum is bearish. It tried to break the support, which seems like not really strong support at 1.300, 1.300, but it's not going to break that one. But if it breaks below this point, so we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have got 5 points in last couple of weeks that it had dropped from this level, and it dropped really badly, and it went down to really lowest point at 1.2 to 1.255. So due to the oil inventories, I would expect that it will further drop on, and this drop might be breaching the support at 1.300. If it breaches the support at 1.300, the next target would be 1.290. It's overall the momentum is bearish, and I expect you to buy at the higher, sell at the highest, and close when it's at the lowest one. The last pair, which is gold, it went a sideways market. It dropped a lot, and then it moved ahead and tried to approach 1228, but could not maintain that level of 1227. But currently it's trading at the same level as yesterday at 1222. So it's a sideways market today. It did not had a great moment, but a lot of people have catch some great pips when they bought at 1216, and when it reached the TP of 1227. So it's a great momentum. The market was sideways on 31st, and I expect and speculate that it will try to go and move towards 1.227, and if it breaks above 1.227, my next target and speculation is that it will try to approach 1232. So overall, the momentum is going to be bearish this Wednesday, and I expect that it will go a little more high and will try to reach 1235. That's all from Trade with Asim and Sajjad. I wish you a very good luck for your trading.